Hi, Kerners Learners. I miss you guys so much. I wish that we could be in school right now. I feel like I haven't seen you guys in so long. I wanted to do a quick video just to say I miss you and that I can't wait for our next week when we get to start some Google Hangouts. I wanted to just talk to you super quick and tell you that it's okay that we're not in school right now. You are safe at home. I do wish we could be at school, but just know that with the COVID-19 or the coronavirus that's going around right now, us being home and with our families in a safe place is for the best for everybody, not just in our families, but in the state and in the country, in the world right now. So just know that this will pass eventually, and things are going to be okay. In the meantime, I want to have your parents or you send me a quick little video or an email just letting me know what you've been up to since spring break. I know you guys got to have your ice cream party when I went on my trip, and that's really great, but I want to hear what you have been doing since spring break time. So just a quick video or a picture of some of the things you're doing, or even just an email from your parents. I do want to just give you a heads up that starting next week on Monday, March 30th at 9:20, we get to start doing our morning meetings together. I'm really excited for those. You can log in, we can see each other, and we can chat for a little while in the mornings before you get going on your schoolwork. In the meantime, again, I just wanted to reach out, say hello. I miss you all, and I wish we could be in school, and I hope to see your faces at our Google Hangout on Monday morning on the 30th. See you guys. Bye.